Hello everyone and welcome to 10 in the Nutshell. In this video, I will share with you 10 ways to digital detox and reconnect with life in 7 days, a step-by-step guide. Number 1. Set boundaries. Establish clear time boundaries for your device usage, both at work and during leisure. This means defining when it's time to put your phone or computer away and engage in real-world activities or interactions. These boundaries can help you maintain a healthier balance between your digital and physical life. Number 2. Unplug at night. Turn off all digital devices at least an hour before bedtime. The blue light emitted from the screen can disrupt your circadian rhythm, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing the overall quality of your sleep. By unplugging at night, you promote better sleep patterns and restful nights. Number 3. Prioritize offline activities. Make an effort to prioritize offline activities that don't involve screens. This could include engaging in hobbies, reading physical books, going for walks, or participating in group sports. Such activities help you reconnect with the real world and promote a more balanced lifestyle. Number 4. Digital declutter. Take time to organize and declutter your digital life. This includes cleaning up your email inbox, organizing your files, and unfollowing or unsubscribing from digital sources that no longer serves you. A clean digital space can lead to less mental clutter and increased focus. Number 5. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness exercises or meditation into your daily routine. Mindfulness encourages you to be present in the moment, helping reduce stress and anxiety related to digital distractions. Even short mindfulness practice can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Number 6. Designate tech-free zones. Identify specific areas in your home where electronic devices are not allowed. For example, you can designate the dining table, the bedroom, or the living room as tech-free zones. This encourages face-to-face interactions and promote deeper conversations. Number 7. Limit social media. Set daily time limits for social media usage or designated specific periods during the day when you check your profiles. This limits mindfulness scrolling and prevents social media from consuming excessive amount of your time. Number 8. Digital Detox Day. Designate a day during the week as a digital detox day. On this day, avoid screen entirely and focus on engaging with the physical world. Use it as an opportunity to recharge and enjoy activities that don't involve electronic devices. Number 9. Engage in nature. Spend time in natural settings such as parks, forests, or open spaces. Nature has a calming and restorative effect on the mind and body. Immersing yourself in nature can help you recharge and disconnect from digital distractions. Number 10. Connect with loved ones. Reconnect with family and friends by investing quality time together. Engage in meaningful conversations, strengthen your personal relationships, and make a conscious effort to be present when interacting with loved ones. Building and maintaining these connections can be a fulfilling part of your digital detox journey. By following these 10 steps, you can gradually reduce your digital dependency and find a healthier balance between your offline and online life. These practices will help you feel more present, relaxed, and connected with the real world in just 7 days. If you enjoyed our content, like, share, subscribe, and let us know in the comments section your favorite detox technique. Until our next upload, take care.